Keighley's new fleet is here. Well, they've all gone nearly. Last two are here, 10:35, 10:32. I'm adding this a little bit because I forgot to do it. These are Mercedes eCitaros. Beautiful little buses. Love the logo, love the livery. Funded by the government. Tracy Barbin, the Mayor of West Yorkshire, part of the Zebra and the funding for it. It's a wet, rainy day. Yeah, they're good buses. I can't wait to get on board these and ride them. Should be fun. So, found ourselves on the inside. Probably get in trouble for this, but, well, what's new for me? Brilliant little bus. Welcome on board these new e-hybrids. Fantastic. 37, 33 standing and 2 disability. Blows my mind. First aid kit as well. That's new on a bus. Lovely driver seat. Great comfort. Great mirrors. Digital. Fantastic. It's got, I think it's got lumbar support. Heated seats. It's USB charging. Hanger for your coat and stuff. Heating controls throughout, so I think these might actually have air conditioning for passengers as well. It's wonderful. I've never seen a steering wheel with so many buttons. I honestly, Keighley, mind blown. Probably one of my favourite 2 things of the buses. The new maquette. I think the maquette's beautiful. I think Transdev have knocked it out of the park here. And my second favourite thing is the fact that it has 2 disability spots for 2 wheelchair users, which I think is fantastic, and it's about time buses got with the programme and got modern, and I think having 2 seats for the disability is going to be fantastic. I think these is a great idea. Clean on the inside, clean on the outside, with active aero antiviral protection, reduce the risk of infection. Wonderful idea. Yeah, brilliant little buses. USB chargers. USB A and C, not sure of the output of these. Nice stop bells. I think Mercedes-Benz and Mercedes-Benz and Transdev have knocked these out of the park. Love the 4 seats at the back. I think this is one of the great features as well. Probably understated, but yeah. Having 4 seats so you can have chats with your mates. Weird at the back, 3 seats. I think we've got wireless chargers. Not 100% certain if they are wireless yet, but they look very similar to the ones that we have on the number 1, the seat style the seats. But yeah, these are fantastic. Probably going to get in a lot of trouble for being in one of these, but you know what? I've been in with some of the management to have a look at it. Remove my fingerprint so I don't get in trouble, but yeah, look at it. It's so nice and green. Pick my bag up. Just look at the actual... It's for a bus driver, how much they can see is amazing. It's got a great view. The green really pops. Keighley, you're so lucky, guys. This bus is fantastic. This bus travels this bus announces your stops for you. Yes, new announcements on buses. Brilliant idea. These were obviously funded by H.M. Majesty's government in partnership with the West Yorkshire Combined Authority, Tracy Barbin, Mayor of West Yorkshire. They are doing some sort of Yorkshire authority, and obviously looking. But yeah, it's so big. You don't realise how much bigger they are. Like when you see like what a street deck looks like, a street light, they're like half the size of a Decker. Much bigger than an MMC. But yeah, beautiful. And the graphics. Transdev, your marketing team knocks it out of the park every time. But yeah, fully electric. I'm stoked. I can't wait to actually see these on the road. And I'll be sat in this seat here, getting some footage when they go up to Keighley, because obviously the Bronte bus goes up there, the shuttles, the Skipton Castle. Yeah, they'll be fantastic. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. Well, anyway, I hope you like this little quick look, first look at the back of these buses. This video won't be out until, well, when they're allowed to be out, because I think I'll get in trouble if I release it before Transdev release anything. But yeah, every one of them is just glorious. Love the colour. Love the graphics. Probably get shouted at. Hey. But yeah, should be on the road soon, hopefully. Once they get all the little nicks and crannies and sorted out. Yeah, look, 27.75. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you subscribe, and see you on the road next time.